Welcome all to the IUE Unplugged, Bytes and Insights podcast. Today, we are exploring the power of Generative Expand in Photoshop, a fascinating development in the realm of artificial intelligence, or as we like to call it, AI. This innovative feature has the potential to transform how we interact with images. In essence, it's waving a fond farewell to the days of cropped images. Imagine an image that can expand itself, filling the canvas with more details, more elements, all generated by the software itself. It's like an artist with an unlimited imagination. Isn't that something to marvel at? Now, let's delve into the science behind this. The Generative Expand feature utilizes AI algorithms to analyze and replicate the patterns in your image. This allows it to generate more of the image, expanding beyond the initial frame. It's like a painter who can continue your painting in the same style, using the same brushstrokes and colors. In other words, Photoshop's Generative Expand is an artist in your computer. It's an artist that can take your image and expand it, creating a seamless, larger version of your picture. This is not just about adding more pixels, it's about adding more artistry, more creativity. But the most exciting part of this feature is its potential application. Think about it. From digital photographers to graphic designers, from advertisers to content creators, this feature has the potential to revolutionize how we create and consume visual content. This is what AI is about, pushing boundaries, expanding horizons, and creating a future full of possibilities. Today, we've delved into one such possibility. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and let your curiosity lead the way. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Oronoff and Mogul Media AI.